So since I last filmed, my face has changed quite a bit. I stopped filming because it's just a lot of work when you've got work and house and that crap going on. But we've done a lot. It's just become New Year's now, and this is the room that I was in before handing away. So, new windows in, window seat, fire smoking, overboarded the ceiling, but I need to sort it out because there's a bump there and it really annoys me. Insulated the floor, new window, said that, window seat, and all the sockets chased out. That's that room. Next room, woo! So new windows in there. Bedroom's the same. In here, whoa, a lot has changed. So this was the third bedroom, which we've knocked through there. This is going to be a bathroom, and we're going to have a wall here, and that'll be stairs leading up into the bougie loft room, because we're not doing it as an official bedroom. So that's the bougie loft room. So yeah, that's all changed. Shower's going to be there. We're going to have a sink, bath, and one of those big freestanding taps. Then we'll have a sink here, some under stair storage, and away you go. And then the rest of the inside is pretty much the same, I'm going to say. Let's find out. So, new window there, and it's like smoked glass, so it's not as visible. In here, it's all the same. It's rough. In there, starts dripping the wall, and I've overboarded half the ceiling. That's it. New window in there. And then, that's the same. This, got a new window here, and then this is all the same. But we've done planning architect's business, so we'll go outside and show you. It is snowing and we've got no central heating. It's brilliant. Let me go around here and show you. We've got skip, and then this extension is gone. Whoa, completely knocked down. So we've got architect drawings, building control, and the structural engineers plans to do the single story extension at the back here, which will be amazing when it's done. But at the moment, shifting bricks in this weather is freezing. We've got a new window there. Let me go further back. Chimney gone, dodgy roof work by me, and I pre-planned it an outdoor cooking area. So this is just dry laid, but this will be over there and it'll have a little cover on it and everything. But we got sink, storage, be a worktop, barbecue, wood storage, fire pit, and then on top there'll be a pizza oven, and this will be under like a carport looking thing. But yeah, so most things we've done is we've gone up into the loft stairs and inside the loft. New windows, knocked the extension down. I think that's it. Oh yeah, and that room we've overboarded, slightly painted but needs to be redone. And then the front little cloakroom, that's been overboarded half and stripped. So yeah, I'm going to put you down. That's it. I've not been filming, sorry, because it's just hard work when it's 1 degree, you've got no heating. You're just grafting all the time. But yeah, this is the house. It's getting there. And next time you see it, I should have all this cleared. And then we're getting my dad's firm in to do the steel, because I can't do steels on my own. It's going to have a big T-section steel at the back and then going across. So yeah, it's not a one-man job, so getting them into the steels, and then me and my dad will do the framing on the outside. But yeah, that's it really. That's where we're up to. Nothing exciting, nothing fancy. But yeah, hopefully this keeps you up to date, and if people are actually interested, it helps with where it's up to. I've just not been doing it because getting 200 views while I was trying to film and trying to do this is not worth it. But my mate at the Vantage, who came to help, he's been pushing me to try and do some more videos. So here you go, here's the video. But yeah, hopefully you liked it. If you did, like, subscribe, all that crap, make it half worth it for me to do. Yeah, and hopefully next time you see this, it'll be a little bit more progressed. I might try and do some little short videos in between, but yeah, bye.